Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming these simple empty tuna cans, often overlooked, into a powerful portable stove. I'm taking a small bowl and 2 cans of tuna. I'll open one of the cans, as you can see, and carefully transfer all the tuna into the bowl. This is just so I can have the empty can ready for our project. I'll do the same with the second can, opening it up and making sure all the contents are emptied into our bowl. We need both cans to be completely clean for the next steps. Now that our cans are empty, I'm giving them a thorough rinse under running water in a basin. It's really important to get rid of any food residue to ensure they are clean and ready for their new purpose. Next, I'm carefully using a utility knife to remove the paper labels from both cans. This isn't just for aesthetics. It helps ensure the metal is clean and prepped for any further modifications. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With one can cleaned and ready, I'm marking the exact center of its bottom using a marker. This precise center point is crucial for the next step, which involves drilling. To drill, I place a can between 2 pieces of wood to keep them stable. Then, I use a step drill bit to create a larger central hole. This hole will be where our fuel is introduced, so its size is important for proper flow. After drilling, I'm using pliers and file to smooth out any rough edges, making it safe to handle. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now, around that central hole, I'm marking several small dots in a circular pattern. These dots indicate where I'll drill smaller holes. These tiny holes are essential for the even distribution and combustion of fuel, creating a consistent flame. Using a smaller drill bit, I'm carefully drilling all the marked small holes. Precision here ensures a uniform flame and efficient burning once our stove is complete. After drilling the holes, I place a tuna can next to a pair of pliers. These pliers would serve as a pivot point for drawing a line on the can. With the second tuna can, I would do the same to draw a line around the edge. This section would be cut out to create a ring that would form the structure of the stove. I'm using an angle grinder to carefully cut along the marked lines on the second can. This creates a neat metal ring, which is a key component. I cut the second can of tuna in the same way as before. After cutting, I take some sandpaper and smooth out all the rough edges. This makes the ring safe to handle and ensures a better fit for assembly. With the 2 main tuna can pieces ready, I'm carefully aligning the cut ring and tapping it into the base piece with a hammer. The goal is to create a snug, secure fit that forms the outer structure of our stove. This will help contain the fuel and direct the flame. This is how our assembled tuna can stove base looks. Now, for a new element, I'm taking an empty Coca-Cola can and using a utility knife to carefully cut off both the top and bottom sections. We only need the cylindrical body for this part of the project. With the middle section of the Coca-Cola can, I'm using scissors to trim it into a smaller ring. I'm preparing a steel wool scrubber by stretching it out and cutting it into a smaller, manageable section. Then, I'll carefully shape it to fit perfectly inside the Coca-Cola can ring we just made. I'm placing the shaped steel wool into the Coca-Cola can ring, then carefully nesting this entire assembly into the tuna can base. Finally, I place the drilled top section of the tuna can on top. To secure all the layers, I'm using a hammer to gently tap the top tuna can piece into place, ensuring a tight seal for optimal performance. To increase stability when cooking on the stovetop, I'm screwing 3 small screws into the top of the stove. This ensures a sturdy and reliable structure. Our DIY stove is almost ready. I place a small metal cup on top to check the balance. Then I carefully poured alcohol into the central fuel chamber. Alcohol is a great, clean-burning fuel for this type of stove. Now for the moment of truth. I'm lighting the alcohol on the stove with a match. You can see the steady flame starting to burn, indicating our simple stove is fully functional. I place a small cup filled with tuna directly onto the lit stove. Watch as the heat quickly transfers and the tuna starts to simmer and boil. It's working perfectly. Just wait a moment, and the tuna will be boiling, showing how efficient this alcohol stove is. It's perfect for picnics or camping due to its convenience and compact size. And there you have it, our incredible multifunctional stove, made from simple aluminum cans. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things, even in a pinch. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, And leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.